Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Deepak Pandey, Director of Physical Education, Khasdar Govindra Gandhi Law College, Srirampur, District Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. Today, my topic is effect of physical fitness and mental health on sports performance. Introduction. The word physical education is the diverged from two separate words, physical and education. The plain dictionary meaning of the word physical is the relating to body. It may relate to any one or all of the body's characteristics. It may be physical strength, physical endurance, physical fitness, physical appearance, and physical health. The word education means systematic instruction or training or preparation for life or for some particular task. A combined combinant meaning of these two words would be that systematic instruction or training which related to physical activities or program of activities necessary for development and maintenance of the human body, development of physical power, or cultivation of physical skill. Sports performance has dramatically progressed over the past few decades. Performance levels that are unimaginable and unmatchable in earlier days are now common, and number of the athlete capable of outstanding result in increasing. Psychology is defined as the science of behavior and connective process. They examine ob- observable behavior, connecting process, psychological events, social information, and largely hidden unconscious process. Physical fitness. Physical fitness is the organic avenue of the proper functioning of the body system so that individual can perform the daily routine task efficiently. It is clear the observed that other workout every individual gets fatigue. This apply to every physical fit person, but one of the major difference in the unfit and fit individual in the storage of the energy for the emergency and other normal activities even after fatigue. Other major aspect of the physical fitness is the fast recovery after getting fired. After fatigue work, rest is necessary, but the rest period must be appropriate duration. Physical fitness is the continuous of the daily routine work without undue fatigue. Next, mental health. Mental health is the very significant part of the overall health. Sometimes mental health is the more difficult to maintain than our physical health. As teacher, we can enhance our children's mental health through the way in the which our interact with them. An open accepting demand of the part of the teacher in the classroom can determine and effectiveness of the learning environment. Teachers should emphasize that each individual is unique and that difference among individuals should make life more increasing, not more difficult. The statement of the problem. The purpose of the study was effect of physical fitness and mental health on sports performance. Need of the study. The effect of the physical fitness and mental health on the performance of state level basketball player. Physical fitness component. Strength and explosive strength promotes shifting quality. Agility show help in self-control and ball control. Speed improve improves the performance of player according to demand of time. Mental health. Player have positive negative value. It indicate an emotional stability of player. It show the strong willpower of player. It show the behavior and knowledge of the players against self-actualization. Objective of the study. First, to study the physical fitness and of state level basketball player. Second, the study of mental health of state level basketball players. Third one, the study of the effect of physical fitness on sports performance of state level basketball player. Fourth, to analyze the effect of sports performance of state level basketball players on mental health. Fifth one, to study the sports performance of state level basketball players in the relation of physical fitness and mental health. Significance of the study. First one, study suggests will an effect and good mental training for the state level basketball player of Maharashtra state. Second one, study will the players how to maintain physical fitness and mental health through special training. Third one, coach can predict for future performance with the study of physical fitness and mental health on the players during sports performance. During sports performance. And the study will also help coach to predict special training for particular players. Delimitation. First one, the study was delimited to age group of 14 to 18 and 19 to 23 years. Second one, the study was further delimited to 200 male and female players. Third one, the study was also delimited to Maharashtra state level basketball player. Only Maharashtra state. Limitation. First one, the food habits of the players could not be controlled as most of the players are from different environment background. Second one, there is no control of height level or low level facility of player. Third one, the player have not been pre-influence of the prior of test. Selection of the subject. The purpose of the study was the analyze to effect of physical fitness and mental health on the performance. To achieve the purpose of the study, 200 subject, 100 male and 100 female players of Maharashtra. And selection of the test. The study based on Ahfer Youth Physical Fitness Test, Mental Toughness Questionnaire by Dr. Alan Goldberg, and Johnson Basketball Ability Test was considered appropriate as the item include measured of the components of physical fitness, mental health, and Johnson Basketball Ability Test. Physical fitness, these are components. First one, pull-ups, sit-ups, shuttle run, standing broad jump, 50-yard dash. And psychological test, these are components. First one, handling pressure. Second, concentration, mental rebounding, and winning attitude. And Johnson Basketball Ability Test. First one, field goal speed test. Second, throw the accuracy. And third one, dribbling. And selection of tools. Ahfer Youth Physical Fitness Test, Questionnaire, and the Johnson Basketball Ability Test was used to tool to collect data variables for the investigation. First one, physical fitness, and physical fitness was measured by using the horizontal bar, stopwatch, measuring tape, whistle, and chalk. Second one, mental toughness was measured by using the standardized questionnaire. Third one, ability measured by Johnson Basketball Ability Test by using the basketball court, cone, basketball, and whistle. Dependent variable. First one, Ahfer Youth Physical Fitness Test. Second one, mental toughness questionnaire. Third one, Johnson Basketball Ability Test. and independent variable Maharashtra state level male and female basketball player. And thank you so much.